Welcome back, guys, to Just Fix It. We're here again with the Volvo XC90. Today we'll be changing the brake light bulb. So we'll be taking out the housing and changing the bulb. Basically, it's like a upgrade. So we'll be upgrading the bulb for the brake light. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, first thing first. You have to remove this panel right here. It's already pre-removed. It come from up there like that. You just hold this part right here and you snap it out. Because the main reason is these things, well, it's not that complicated, but the way they design them, I really like this way. So you gotta go back here. When you come back here, you're gonna see this right here, right? And if you look carefully, you're gonna see another one. Where's that other one? It's always hiding. Let me see. Hey guys, it's somewhere back here. Yeah, it's right there. It's right there. See? Right here. So one at the top and one at the bottom right there. So you need to remove those in order to set this part free. It's not the whole thing is gonna come off, it's just right here. Because we're just trying to get to the brake light bulb, which is here. Because you have the brake light, I think the park light is somewhere down here, and this is the indicator. This is the indicator right here, and then the backup light. So we're just trying to get the when you step on the brake, that's the bulb we're trying to get right now. So let's get to it. You need, this is a 10 millimeter. This is a 10 millimeter socket. So this is what you need. It don't have to look exactly like this, but it does need see, let me show you. See, let's see if I can find it for you. See, you need a 10 millimeter socket, and then it's all go from there. So you're gonna find whether the top one or the bottom one. Yeah. Yeah. Once you do that, it's very simple to come out. No big deal. I really like the way how they design this, because most other cars, they make it so complicated to change the bulbs, whether it's the headlights or the brake lights. See, it comes right out. I just like this design. Yeah, guys, and stay tuned as well for the video for the headlight bulbs, whether the low beam, the high beam. Stay tuned for that video, because that video will be coming very soon, as I'm changing out all the lights on this XC90. I was supposed to make a video about me changing the dome lights and stuff like that, but I got caught up. So anyway, guys, now it's time to remove this part. Here, you open this, because if you don't open that, what happened to me a while ago will happen to you, because this is holding in that part of the housing. Okay, guys, then it should be able to just come off. All right. Okay, so show them right here. So as I said before, we're only, hey, okay, yeah, it's good, it's good. As I said before, guys, We're only changing one bulb. Okay guys, here we have the brand new age bulbs. They said they're very bright. So these are the ones that I'm upgrading it to for the Volvo XC90. These are Bright Star. I've used these bulbs before in my Cadillac, you know, in my Audi a few years ago. I'm pretty sure if you guys go back on some of the old videos on the channel, you'll see when I had the Audi and the video for the Cadillac. Please. So yeah guys, now it's time to go ahead and make the change on this bulb. Let's go. Alright guys, now to change the bulb, you turn one time. You see, it comes right out. Okay, then you turn, because you have to turn again one time to the left, turn, and it comes right out. Nothing complicated, right? So then you grab one of the new bulbs. You see, they look totally different. The comparison is crazy. Yeah, so let's see. Put it down in those grooves right there. And put it down in the groove. I don't want to turn, man. Let's see. Then turn right. So before we put it back in, let's see what happened. I'm gonna step on the brake and see if I see it light up. Perfect. Okay guys, that works. So let's just put this back in the housing and then turn right. And that's how you repeat the process, guys. I have two of these to change. I have the other one on the other side to change. So just repeat the process, guys, the same way you put it back in, get everything back together, then you put these back where they belong. So thank you for checking out the video, guys. Remember to please like, share, and subscribe to Just Fix It.